Uh, Today we want to start. I want to start a physics lecture. Right now, as you can see, I wrote a question which is based on motion in a straight line. This is question based on motion in a straight line. You know that motion in a straight line is a name of a chapter. Yeah. So let's take some question. Then whatever topics will come, we will be covering. Important topics we will explore. Uh, let's see what is the solution of this equation. First of all, as you know, what is the process to solve any kind of equation? First we read, then we get clarity. After getting clarity, we take action. Then after taking action, then we write one step. We will write one step when we will take action. Yeah. According to first step, then you will move to the next step, and this will be so. Same here in this question you will be doing. Not only in this question, any question, numericals. I would say numericals. If numericals and question that are of mathematics are coming, in that case your process should be similar like that I told you. First question is in front of you. It's not difficult. Okay, just read this. Try to understand. Athlete. You can say athlete is a person. Okay, this is a boy. Athlete completes one round of a circular track. Look at over here. This is circular track. So uh, it is giving you a shape which is a circle. So a truck which is moving in circular shape, and it is completing how much circle? One circle, but within how much second? This is important. So which truck radius are in 40 seconds? In 40 seconds, this truck completes one circular. Okay, one circular in 40 seconds. What are you understanding? In 40 seconds. In 40 seconds, you can say this is a one circle. This is a one circle. Okay, it is given by the question. Now, if in 40 seconds, and this will be constant, okay, it is not changing. In 40 seconds, a truck is completing one circle, and in next sentence it is saying find out his displacement, not distance. Okay, displacement. Find out his displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Now let's visualize this part. There is a one circle. Okay. So when this truck starts moving in circular shape, after 40 seconds, he reaches where? He reaches at the initial position. So this is now it is what? It is a one complete circle. Now in 2 minutes 20 seconds, in we will see again 40 seconds, then again 40 seconds. First of all, you will have to convert this 2 minutes into second. Okay, into second. Then you will be able to take. Now look at over here. In 40 seconds, it is giving you one circle. So in this minute, how much circle will you be getting? This is what we will find. After finding this, we will find the displacement. Okay, displacement from the initial till the final. So as you know, displacement is equal to final position minus initial position. This is just a formula to calculate displacement. Let's find what are numbers of a circle that we are getting uh, in this much time. So in one circle, you can say circle. Okay, circle. So how much? Just convert this. 2 minutes is equal to 120 second, and 120 plus 20 will be 140 second. So 140 second here in one circle, this in this much time one circle. So we will divide this 40 by 140, and if we are doing like that, it means we want to get what number of circles in this much time. That's why we are dividing 140 by 40. Okay, not unnecessary we are doing. So after cutting this, you will get 3.5. Fourth result wala, then you will you will divide the number will come which will be 3.5. 3.5. Okay. So this 3.5 is telling you that number of a circle. Number of a circle is how much? 3.5. 3 round, then half round. Okay. 3 round, half round. This is what is the meaning of the 3.5. So number of a circle. Number of a circle is 3.5. Now you can visualize it so that you can get clarity. From here, this truck is moving, this vehicle is moving. So this 40 second, again 40 second. So 40 is the 80. Then again 3 round, it is giving you how much? 120 second. So 20 is left. So 20 is the half of the 40. 20 is the half of the 40. Suppose it will stop over here. Yeah, this is what you are visualizing. So this vehicle is stopping over here, which is in front of an initial position. Yeah. Now question is asking what is the displacement of this two points. Final, this is final, and it is the initial. As I told you, the displacement is equal to final position minus initial position. So displacement would be nothing but final position minus the initial position. Initial position. So here, just think. If this is a what center, you know that we will have to answer in a radius. Okay. So from here to till here, this is one radius, and this side will be another radius. So how much radius are you getting? So you would say 2 radius. So you can say 2 radius or diameter. But question is not saying that answer in a diameter. Question was saying answer in a radius. That's why we wrote 2r. 2r which means 2r is equal to 1 diameter. 1 diameter. That is making 1 diameter. So this 2r is our answer. But what is the meaning of this answer? It is telling that 2r is a displacement of this 2 points. Yeah, of this 2 points. So this is your answer. Just have a look, then I will erase it. Next question, let me write. Now look at over here. Displacement. Tell me what. First of all, let's read this question so that we can understand very well. A particle. There is a particle. You can consider this point as a particle. Okay. There is a particle which starts moving from point A, from this point, and it reaches at point B over here. So it is starting like that. So this will be our this curve will be our distance, but this straight line will be our displacement. It is a very basic. This tells about displacement and about distance. Yeah. Just understand this is actual path and it is the shortest path for displacement. Now, okay, it is starting from here and it is reaching at this point along a semicircular path. Yeah, we got this semicircular path. It is not complete a circle. Yeah. Okay, semicircular path. Then find out distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Now tell me, brother. Can you say that this is a displacement? This curved. Can you say that curved? This curved line is a displacement? No, it will not be valid. So that's why rather than saying this, you would say this is the question. So of course you are getting this one radius and this another radius, two radius. So two radius is just a displacement. So you can say displacement. We are getting displacement directly. So displacement is a 2r. But what about the distance? One point is a crystal clear. But second, we have to find distance. So now we are not going to talk about this straight line. Our focus will be on this curved line. So tell me, what should be distance of this semicircle? You know that a circle, distance of a circle is just a pi r. So pi r, we are saying pi r. I think it should be 2 pi r, isn't it? 2 pi r. Because this is 1 pi, and it is a what? This is a semicircle, but we are saying one circle is equal to what? 2 pi r. It is correct because a circle will have 2 pi 1 r. Yeah. Now, so distance will be nothing but distance over here. It is what? Arc. You can consider this curve as an arc. Okay, as an arc. So tell me, if we draw this complete, it is a complete circle. So complete circle, value of a complete circle is just a 2 pi r. But as you can see, it is a dividing. It's not giving you complete. Instead, it is providing a semicircle. So that's why we will divide, because one part of the circle we are getting. Yeah. So after simplifying this, you will get pi r. So here pi r is a distance. Also, this is semicircle. This pi r is not a distance of a complete circle. So 2 pi r is a complete distance of a complete. 2 pi r is a complete distance of a complete circle. Clear? Did you understand meaning of this answer? So this is our complete. This first and this is second. Both are complete answer. Just have a look, then I will write a next question. Now let me write the next question. I read this question. Try to understand it. Now look at over here. There is a one equation which is here. X is equal to 4 minus 60 plus t square. It is x in this x is in meter and t is in second. Then okay, this equation is given and it is telling that t is 4 second and x is 4 meter. Then we find the distance and the displacement. By the help of this equation, we will have to find the distance and displacement where t is equal to 0, time is 0, and from 0 to time is equal to 4 second. Whatever is given, you can write x is equal to 4 minus 60 plus t square. This is what we have given. Okay, this is what we got. Now, when it comes to displacement, then we find velocity. Then we found velocity. So remember, v is equal to nothing but dx upon dt, where x is a displacement, okay, and t is a time. We are finding velocity. So we wrote this formula because it is asking what at this time what is the velocity. That's why we wrote this this thing. Now over here x is what? X is given d upon dt of 4 minus 60 plus t square. Okay, this thing is clear. Now depreciation of 4 will be nothing but 0. Then depreciation of this will be nothing but 6, I think. 6. And depreciation of this will be 2t. 2t. Okay. So 2t minus 6. This is what you are getting. Now, if a velocity, if you put velocity is equal to 0, then what will happen? So here, if a velocity is 0, then if we put velocity is equal to 0, then of course we will get a time. So at this time, velocity is becoming how much? 0. It means I think a body will be in a rest. So here this is 0 plus 6 is equal to 20. 6 upon 2. So this is coming is equal to 3. So t is 3. Now try to understand this answer. At 3 seconds, velocity is becoming how much? 0. Velocity is becoming 0. Of course, this is coming into rest. Object is coming into rest at t is equal to 3 seconds. Okay, at t is equal to 3 seconds. Till here, did you understand? Now, if t is equal to 3 and you are going to substitute value of this in this equation, of course you will get value of x. So x is nothing but just displacement, you can. So let's do this. If at t is equal to 3, okay, at t is equal to 3, 4 minus 6 multiple 3 plus 3 raised to power 2. 4 minus 18 plus 9. So here it is giving you 13 minus 18. So this is nothing but minus 5. X came out as a minus 5. Where time is 3 seconds. Where time is 3 seconds. Now tell me, if t is equal to 4 seconds, then what will happen? Let's see. At t is equal to 4 seconds, and equation is this: 4 minus 6 multiple 4 plus 4 raised to power 2. So 4 minus 24 plus 4 4 is 16. 16, 20 minus 24. This is giving you minus 4. Try to understand this thing which is coming as answer. It is telling you if a object is covering distance, covering a displacement at t is equal to 4 seconds. So object, remember x, you can just consider this x as a position of the object. So position of the object is at minus 4. Okay, on Cartesian. So position of the object is at minus 4, where time is 3 seconds. And this is what this question is trying to tell you, trying to convince you. Even we will visualize it. If time is 3, then position of the object is at minus 5 and it is in left side. I think yes, this is in left side. On x-axis. Okay, on x-axis. Clear? You can visualize like that. So this side, it is going this side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. So this you can consider this as a time, I think, and this will be position of the object. Now, brother, if t is equal to 0, then what will happen? If t is equal to 0, then 4 minus 6, look at 1. 4 minus 6 multiple 0 plus 0 raised to power 2. Now this is giving you 4. X is equal to 4. Try to understand this. If a time is 0, it means position of the object is at 4. At 4. Position of the object. Everything we have said. Now let's visualize this answer. Let's visualize this answer. This part. This is at center, it is nothing but 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is side negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And remember, we are considering this line as a x, where this will take position of the object. Now, if x is minus 5, where is minus 5? This is minus 5. First of all, x is this, t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Here, t is equal to 0. So, if at t is equal to 0, x is coming how much? 4 over here. This point. And this point is known as initial. Okay, initial. Because the time is 0. Time is 0. So, this 0 is nothing but just initial. And this end second is a final. Okay. This end second is a final. So over here our object is over here, which is the inner rest. This is the inner rest. Okay. Now, if in next case t is equal to 4, then what is the value of x according to this equation? So here t is equal to 4, x is coming minus 4. So this over here, this over here, where t is equal to 4 and here t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. You can easily see this is our nothing but just a displacement, and it is also distance. This is also distance, where initial position is over here and final position is over here. Clear? Now, what are you understanding? How much distance this object is covering? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 meter. 8 meter. How much? 8 meter. Now let's find the distance and the displacement. Displacement. Distance and displacement. Tell me what should be a distance from this answer. Here, initial point is this and final point is this. At 4. At 4. P is equal to 4. So x is coming how much? So initial position would be over here. T is equal to 3. And at t is equal to 4, it takes back step. At t is equal to 4 over here. It is taking back step where t is equal to 4. T is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 4. It starts moving from here and it reaches over minus 5. Then it takes a back step just 1 meter. So this 1 meter. Now total distance would be nothing but just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this one again 10. So distance is a 10. Distance is a 10. But displacement would be nothing but just this final is minus 4. Final is minus 4 and initial is a 4. Initial is a 4. It is giving you nothing but just minus it. You can see. And from this question you are also understanding that displacement is always distance is always positive and displacement could be negative, could be positive, could be zero according to equation. Now, so finally we got answer. Distance is coming as a result which is a 10 meter and the displacement is a minus 8 minus 8. So displacement is this point will be known as the displacement from here to till here, and this complete actual path is our distance. This is done. This is our done. Clear? Just have a look. Next question, let me write. it's a different from the previous question. You can fill a cat. Look at over wheel of radius r. There is a wheel. We will consider these two circles as a wheel. So wheel of radius r is rolling. It is rolling in forward direction, in positive axis, not in negative axis. In positive axis, it is rolling forward in positive axis. Okay. Till here we have understood. Next sentence is find the displacement of a p. Okay, of a p. When it reach to the highest point, so this will be highest point. If it starts rolling from here, let's say this is the first point. When it will start rolling, of course this will come like that. This will come into this state when it will start rolling. So when it start rolling and at the highest point, it will look like that, where diameter is a 2r. At highest point, this is the highest point. Now in this case, as you can see, it just rolled how much? It just moved how much? This is a half distance. From here to here, this is a half. It moved this much distance. It covered how much? This much distance, which is a half of this circle. Half of this circle. This is what I am trying to tell you. If this is a half, you can easily say that this is the circumference of this semicircle, which is nothing but just pi r, and 2 pi r is the complete distance of a complete circumference of the circle. But here it just moved how much? Half circumference of the circle. That's it. Now you know that this is the center, this is also center. This is also center. So from here until the highest point, from here till the highest point, where this diameter is 2r, if this is given, diameter is also given. So you can see according to this angle, it is our perpendicular and this is our base. So base is it's a p. Base is a pi r and p is a 2r. In that case, we will have to find this displacement. This pi r plus 2r is a complete distance. Okay. But when it comes to displacement in this question, this let's say A, B and C. This AC is our displacement and AB plus BC is our distance. And question is asking just a displacement, not a distance. Not a distance. If you want to know distance, so distance over is pi r plus 2r. So I think it is giving you r is a common. Pi plus 2. This is our distance in this question. Now what is a displacement? Displacement. Displacement. You are observing what? It is a perpendicular. It means this perpendicular is making 90 degree angle and it is a what, this is a triangle. In that case we are able to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if we use this theorem, we will get this distance, displacement. So it's nothing but just S is equal to pi r square plus 2r square, 2r square. We are taking this. Why? This is question. It's a main question for this question. Why are we taking this line from here to till the highest point? Why? Tell me, what should be reason behind this? Reason is that question is asking displacement. So from here to till here, this is our displacement. If we will take this AB and then this BC, AB is just half. It's a half answer. This is incomplete. So AB then BC, it is becoming displacement. This is not in a straight line. So of course AC is giving you straight line and it is a complete valid for displacement. Here you can see we got this much according to theorem. Theorem is known as the Pythagoras theorem. We just applied, and after simplifying this, you will get a displacement which will be invariable in digits. So AC is equal to this is nothing but pi r square. It will be as it. 2r square will be as it. Okay, so what's a common in both four terms? R is a common. R is a common. Pi r square will be as it. 2 to the 4. This is our final displacement. It's nothing but is a displacement. This is what question was asking, and we found out. Now remember very well, this AB part is what? This moved. This wheel moved, it rolled this much part. Okay, and this is the highest point, and this AC is nothing but just a displacement. It's a displacement. Now next question is very easy. That will not be difficult. Let me write. It's a complete. Try to understand this question. There is a equation which is given by the question. Equation is x is equal to t raised to power 3 minus 6t raised to power 2 then plus 9t. Okay. No, it's telling you position of the object, but we know from this question it's not giving, it's not providing us a exact number which will tell position of the object. It is an equation. Yeah. So if this is the position of the object, then distance, okay, just a distance you will have to find from t is equal to 0 till the t is equal to 5 seconds. Okay, you will substitute value of t is equal to 0 in this equation. Then in next case you put the value of t as a 1 in the same equation. Then like that, so on you will be continue till the t is equal to 5. So given thing is x is equal to t raised to power 3, okay, minus 6 2 raised to power 2 plus 90. It's our given thing. Now if at t is equal to 0, then what will be value of x? This is what we are going to find when we will put this value in this equation. So x is equal to, this is okay, it's becoming 0. This is also becoming 90. So I think x is coming as a 0. Am I correct? Yeah. What are you understanding? If t is equal to 0, so position of the object is at the origin point. This is what you are observing. Now next case, t is equal to at t is equal to 1, and equation is the same. 1, then 6, okay, then again 9 multiple 1, 9 multiple 1. So it is providing, this is a 1, 6, then 9. 10 minus 6, how much? I think 9. 10 minus 6, 4. 4. What are you observing? At t is equal to 1, position of the object is at 4. This is what you are observing. Now next case, at t is equal to 2. In that case, what will happen? X is equal to, okay, 2 raised to power 3 minus 6 multiple 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 plus 9 multiple 2. So it's nothing but 8 minus 6 multiple 4 plus 9 to the 18. 8 minus 24 plus 18. Okay, 18, 8, I think 26 minus 24. This came as a 2. X is a 2, where time is a 2. Okay, both are same. We will visualize this answer, don't worry. First of all, let's complete this series. Now next, at t is equal to, at t is equal to 3. In that case, minus 6 multiple 3 raised to power 2 plus 9 multiple 3. 3 3 27. Then here 6 multiple 9, 27. 27, it is giving you 54 minus so 9 6 is 54. What are you observing over here? X is coming to 0, where t is equal to 3. Here there is a twist. In visualization explanation, we will see this twist. Now next is at t is equal to 4. So 4, then 6 multiple 4 raised to power 2 plus 9 multiple 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 minus 6 multiple 4 4s are 16 plus 36. 60, then 0, 9 3 100. I think 16. 6 6 are 36. Then 3 6 and 3 9 minus. So it is coming how much? 4. X is 4. X is 4. Where time is equal to 4. We will visualize in this part. Now next, at t is equal to 5. At t is equal to 5. Now x then 5 raised to power 3 minus 6 multiple 5 raised to power 2 plus 9 multiple 5. 5 5s are 25. 25s are 25 5s are 125 minus 6 multiple 5 5s are 25. 9 5s are 45. Now next, 125 plus 45 will be how much? 0, 5 5 0, 4 2 6 7, 1 will be as it, minus 25 6 are 25 6 are. So 6 5s are 30, 3 6 2s are 12, 12 3 15. So x is coming as a 20. X is coming out at 20. If t time is 5, so position of the object is at 20 on Cartesian. Now this series is complete. Let's visualize this also. This is line. Okay. If time is equal to 0, time is equal to 0 over here. So here x is becoming how much? 0. This is where object is in rest, and this we will consider this point as an initial point, because here the x is coming as a 0 and t is 0. So main point is what? T is a 0. That's why we are considering this point as an initial point. Here next, t is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. Initial point is over here. So t is equal to 1 over here. X is coming how much? X is coming 4 over here. Try to understand. In 1 second, this object covered how much? 4 meter. 4 meter distance in 1 second. Now next, here t is equal to 1. Now t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2. So x is coming how much? Over here. What is happening over here? It starts moving like that, then it is going in backward direction. Here. This is what you are observing. It starts moving from this initial point and it reaches over here at 4. Then you are observing that it is taking back step. Where? At t is equal to 2. In 2 seconds, from here to till here, in 2 seconds it is coming over here. Now time is 3 seconds. Then you will observe here t is equal to 2. In 3 seconds it's coming at the same point, at the initial point. So here, over here, displacement is coming as a 0. displacement, but over here this will not be displacement. So displacement will be what? This and this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Displacement is 4. But when we will take this part, then you will observe that yes, displacement here it is becoming 0. Now next here t is 3. T is 3. Now t is equal to 4. In that case, t is equal to 4. Again, it starts moving. T is equal to 4, so x is also coming as a 4. So now again it is reaching at the final position over here according to displacement. So over here, so t is equal to 4. T is equal to 4. Now what if t is equal to 5? Time is 5 seconds. Then in that case x should be 2, brother. X should be 2. So here this is correct, 20 meter. So here you can see x will be nothing but over here 20 meter. 20 meter. So in 5 seconds it is going where? Here. In 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. A is equal to 5. It is coming. It is covering how much? 20 meter distance. 20 meter distance. What are you observing? What are you observing? Of course, displacement. This straight line is a displacement. This is straight line. Shortest path. So shortest path is how much? 20 meter. Okay. But when it comes to distance, so we will take all the covered path by the object. So this distance will be, I think, this first from here to till here. It is how much? 4 meter. Then again it reaches at the initial point 4 meter. Then it starts moving from this initial point and it reaches at 20 meter. So this is a 20 meter. After simplifying this, it will provide something. So 28 is the distance which was covered by the object. Okay, 4 then 20. 4 then 20. So 28 is a distance. Now it's our complete answer. You can see what did I do? What did we do? Observe carefully.